is the market there, Where are we going to?
We are going to market to get some stuff.
In Africa, in Europe, yeah, they have market day here too.
Yeah, they have market day.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to the market. Let's go and see.
Alright, let's go and see. Hello, Mr. Man. Where are we going to?
We are going to market in Europe. Like in Africa too, we have market. And here too, there is market, They respect their market, likewise all over the world. So we just want to experience the market, how it is, compare it to African market. So let's go.
Is the market, is it only Saturday or everyday market? This particular market that we are going to now?
No, it's every Saturday, Every Saturday, that is when they do it, every Saturday.
Let's go and see it.
Alright, you can face me. Let's see the market. This is the market right there. This is the market. Alright, let's go. What is the name of this city? Face me. Huh? Sit down first. Are you tired or? Look at the fine city. Very fine.